Welcome to our girls' camping trip in South Carolina. My college best friend Savannah and I spent the weekend at Cone Ross Campground on Lake Hartwell. Our site was right on the water with our own little private beach. Savannah's an absolute rock star when it comes to camp food, so the real highlight of this trip was eating way too well. But first, we had to get the paddleboards ready and teach her dog Zara how to balance on them.
I'm at 11. I have to get to at least 15.
Where am I at? I'm at 3.
Ah, nice.
Almost done. No, I'm like gonna be sore now.
Okay, I'm at 15.
That's such a nice life jacket.
Okay. Yeah, no baby.
We are teaching the dog how to go on the paddleboard. Or Sabbath. Doing so good.
Oh my god, I see fish. Come on!
Let's try to get you up. This is the try. This is the try. Come on.
Yeah, good girl.
Good girl.
Stay.
Good girl. Sit. Can you sit, Zara?
Okay. Okay.
Oh, honey. You like swimming. Oh, we're not running. We wrapped up at the lake and got to cooking. Alright, we got the flames going on the inside.
You want to know how much I just like raw meat? Came stacked.
I wasn't expecting that. Okay, what else we got in this mystery black bag?
We have kind of like cooking stuff over here. You gotta have your Melinda's fire roasted habanero.
Ooh.
Pour over for tomorrow.
Oh,
Some
jackpot.
filters for easy disposal. All about ease. Food for the dogs.
Okay.
And like some utility stuff. Oh, the cards, the games. Some lanterns, some bug spray, some sunscreen, and first aid, baby.
You are so set.
I'm a camper.
She's a camper. All right, so tell me what we're having for dinner.
We're having chicken Caesar smash tacos.
This is my first time having them. Tortillas, a Caesar salad bag. We have to spread this chicken on the tortillas.
Yeah.
And then you put them on the grill.
Yeah, then you fry it like chicken side down. Flip, fry, and then you top it with Caesar salad.
Oh, okay. The sun is setting and it is beautiful.
I love making these. That is how you do it.
I'm gonna relight this one. Ooh, this is Savannah's genius idea to mix soap and water. Front country camper. Now would you feel good about handling raw meat?
No, not without a glove. I think it's done. These ones anyway.
Oh my gosh, this looks so good. This is what it looks like. Woo! I gotta get a close-up shot. Okay, first impression, chicken Caesar smashers.
Fold it like a taco.
Fold it like a taco.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there's a way to eat this, guys.
I'm learning to learn. You like it?
Life hack. What are some other variations that you've done?
Big Mac smash tacos, buffalo chicken. I haven't done it, but banh mi and gyro sound so good, don't they?
Oh yeah, Euro. Look at the clouds. These cicadas are crazy right now. Our campground is 85 and we have to walk here to get to the bathhouse. Dinner was amazing, and now it's time to wind down and prep for a very hot night. A new day and even more good food ahead.
That's great. What a good idea using that. Wow, they cook fast.
Yum!
Oh, green. Light green.
I started. Alright, I'm doing it. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh my god. What it has been before. Oh, did she just get stung? I gotta give her the drill.
You're stung by a bee. Get you in the mouth.
Day 2 of training the dog to be on the paddleboard. All is going well. I've been trying to catch a video of this thing this whole time.
You wanna make friends with the bird? You're not!
Nice! Okay, we got the charcuterie board. So this is where we walk to go to the bathrooms. And they have all these little campsites right on the lake. Oh, it's pretty cool. It's a really nice campground, actually. Very developed. Here they are, the glorious bathhouses. So we got showers on this side and bathrooms on this side. No soap, but still good facilities. When we're with Savannah, we always eat good. So we're gonna have some Philly cheesesteak. So we had the idea to spread this boring cheese on these buns for the Philly cheesesteak, and then put the rest on top. Camera battery died, but here is the final product. Dill pickle chips, and we got the Philly cheesesteak. That looks so good. Oh my god. Heading out! It's so hot, we decided to leave a night early. But we packed up quick. How long do you think it took us? 20 minutes.
22.
We were fast. Going home! Even with the heat, this weekend was the best. Good food, lots of laughs, and time with Sav I'll always be grateful for. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the South Carolina camping trip, don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures.